guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Dave's there. Today we're gonna be building the mini ramp. This is shot after we've built the mini ramp. This isn't the whole mini ramp. This is just like me and my brother doing some of it.
Yeah. So what happened is we bought the ramp and then I assembled it, but it turns out the transitions were the wrong. Were too steep. So I've stripped it, recut the transitions, and then reassembled it all. And I've also extended the platforms, built handrails. So yeah.
It's done now. Yeah, but this is just a bit. So yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Do the time lapse. On to the next beam. Yeah. So we just drilled. Yeah, we're getting the next beam.
No, because we need
Oh yeah. One more here. Right? You have to drill more screws in there, and then you have to do the middles in, and then we do that all up there and all up there.
I didn't want to.
I just.
The next thing we need to do, after we get all them up, is cut the coping in. So we're going to have to cut this back. Right. Get the coping in.
I accidentally put all our footage in slow-mo. Not in slow-mo, just one part of it in slow-mo. Sucks. Yeah. Going up. The first few ones we were seeing were off balance, so we had to undo it. then redo it. Actually, it's still a bit off, but it should be good. We're still meant to drill these parts down here.
Here.
Okay, guys, that's gonna be it. We're not gonna do it in parts because 11 minutes is a bit long. Maybe about how long this video goes for. We'll probably edit it down to like 9-10 minutes. Anyway, that's a bit of a long video. We've got the top part, not the top, but this side going up, done, and top. Next video, we'll be doing the other side going up.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
A good one. I know you love me. It's from the future. It's me from the future. So there won't be in parts, like I said at the end of that video, because we already finished it. It's pretty good. We had a skate. Next week's video, we'll be skating the ramp, and maybe with a super good skateboarder. We don't know. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Guys, don't do dishes. Yeah.